My name is to remain Olukulu Habib, the founder of Mock ICT 19 YouTube channel. Today we are going to continue the lesson 1 of how to use Microsoft Word on smartphone. Now let's quickly open our documents. Now you click on your Word. Then Microsoft Word, it displays the recent document. Then you click on the recent document, which is lesson 1. Today is our lesson 2. Then let's start from where we start from lesson 1. Computer system. Computer system is an electronic device which accepts data, processes it, and store it, and gives out information as results. And I told you we are going to you click on the edit tool. Then I said we are going to work on the home page, which we have insert and draw. Then I said I will teach you how to insert pictures in your document and how to do drawings through your smartwatch using Microsoft Word. Now let's continue the topic. Computer system is an electronic mesh device which accepts data, processes it, and store it, and gives out information as a result. Now major parts. Let's continue our editing. Major parts of computer. That's our topic. Now let's click on it. Then we go to, as usual, let's go to our more formatting to change our case to capitalize each word. Major types of computer. Then go back to the home page. Then let's bold. Then alignment to center. Now that's that. Then let's enter. Then use our delete key. We have let's use our numbering command. Let's click on it. Major part of computer. Monitor. Let's deactivate the board. Monitor. To system unit. Then 3 keyboard. Then 4 mouse. Then 5, and we have the printer. And that's the 5 major parts of computer. Now let's enter delete key to undo the numbering. Now insert a monitor here, a picture here. Now you go to insert, then it brings out some options: blank page, scan document, table, pictures, shape, text box, link, comment, head, footer. Now we have the equation also. You can also insert equation, but that's not where we are going. We are going to picture. We want to insert a picture. Now let's go here. To select a picture, you click on picture, the arrow key, then you click on photos. It opens your gallery, your phone. I'm clicking on monitor. Now this is a monitor. Now you can crop it's okay like this. Then you click on confirm, then done. Inserting your picture. Now can you see now that picture has been inserted? Picture has been inserted to your drawing. Now we have a monitor now. Let's go. Now this is the print. Let's reduce the monitor, reduce the size. Now the size is there. Now we can start a new page. Now let's start a new page. That's where you click on your bullet again. Then the second part of computer system is the system unit. Now let's go to our print layout. You need to input the system. You click on home, then you click on insert. It takes you to these options. Then you click on your picture. You click on photo for a system unit. Then when you click on system units, you can crop your image. Then you click on confirm, and you click on done. Now it inserts a system unit. Then the system automatically switch your view to print layout in order to edit your image by reducing the size. Part of computer, which is the keyboard. Let's move to the mobile view. Keyboard, board, then it home. Click on the arrow, go to home, click on insert, then picture, then click on the keyboard image, no need to crop, then click on done to insert your picture. Now your phone is your working space is automatically turned to print layout to adjust your image. Now you adjust your image. Adjust your image to fit the screen. Good. That's a keyboard. Now let's move to the fourth major part of the computer, which is the mouse. Then let's click on mobile layout, mobile view, mouse. That's done. Let's hit our enter key, then go to home, insert, then I'll click on the mouse image, then click on done. Now it's automatically takes us to the printing view to edit our image that gives out result by printing out information on hard copy. Now let's go to the view again, printer. Now click on your enter button, then let's go to our home, insert, picture. This is the printer. You can crop, then click on confirm, then done to insert. Then now let's reduce the size of the printer in order to fit in. So this is the last. In our third lesson, I'm going to treat how to insert table and shapes. How to insert table and shapes using your Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching this video, and make sure you subscribe and also hit the notification bell to update you when our new videos are out. Thank you.